Not all grains are equal, and if you're supposed to make half your grains whole grains, you need to know the difference. Whole grains contain the entire grain kernel, the bran, germ, and endosperm. Basically, whole grains haven't been messed with. By contrast, refined grains have the bran and germ removed during milling. Milling grains gives them a finer texture and improves their shelf life, but it also removes dietary fiber, iron, many B vitamins, and many other nutrients. You'll see that most refined grain products, like these breads, are enriched. That means that they add back in some B vitamins and iron. Fiber is usually not added back. In terms of nutrition, whole grains are better than refined and enriched products. If the product is made from a whole grain, the ingredient list will say whole grain, rolled oats, whole wheat, or brown rice. It should be listed first. Marketers often try to make their products sound healthier by using words like multigrain, stone ground, 100% wheat, crack wheat, 7 grain, or bran. But these products are usually not whole grain. Bran, by the way, is good for you because it provides fiber. But again, it's not a whole grain. It's just the outer shell of a grain. And don't be fooled by color. Bread can be brown because of molasses, food colorings, or other ingredients, but that doesn't make it whole grain. Molasses is a type of sugar. The less added sugar you eat, the better.
I knew that.
The label will also tell you how much sodium is in the product. Always try to choose lower sodium products. A good way to add more whole grains into your diet is to substitute the whole grain options for refined bread, rice, and pasta. With a spicy sauce like Szechuan or hot Italian tomato sauce, you may not even notice that you're eating brown rice or whole wheat pasta. Another strategy is to snack smarter. Try whole grain cereals like toasted oat cereal as a snack by itself or as part of a tasty, easy trail mix. Just add nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Whole grain crackers are a good choice, and popcorn is a whole grain. Just go easy on the salt and butter. Remember, keep your grains whole. They're chewier and more flavorful.
Popcorn is whole grain. Bonus.
When it comes to vegetables, the more variety, the better. The goal is to eat as many colors and types as possible.
How many kinds of veggies are there anyway?
5. This group of beans and peas are also a good source of protein and fiber, so they pack a bonus in terms of nutrition. The idea is to go for variety. Be adventuresome. Try new kinds of veggies. Once or twice a week, pick a veggie main dish, a big salad, stir fry, soup, or veggie pizza. Have a green salad or raw or cooked vegetables for every lunch and dinner, and sometimes it's snack time. You can add color and nutrients with shredded red cabbage, baby carrots, spinach, or peppers. Pick some potassium-rich veggies like these. They're good for your heart, your head, and your muscles. Veggies are especially good when they're crunchy and crisp, eaten raw or lightly steamed. Make it easy by keeping a bowl of cut-up veggies in a see-through container in the fridge. Not just carrots and celery, But broccoli florets, cucumber slices, green or red peppers, jicama, zucchini, or sugar snap peas. Any fruit or 100% fruit juice counts as part of the fruit group, which should fill just a bit less than a fourth of your plate. Fruits may be fresh, frozen, dried, or canned in water or 100% juice, and may be whole, cut up, or pureed. One good way to help you eat more fruit is to keep it where you can see it. Keep a bowl of whole fruit on the table, kitchen counter, or in the refrigerator. If you have fresh fruit like a melon, cut it up and refrigerate now for eating later. And when you don't have fresh fruit on hand, try dried, frozen, and canned. Just like with vegetables, variety is good.
I heart fruit.
100% fruit juice is good, but the whole fruit also gives you so much more. You get important fiber, plus other nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. So choose whole fruit more often than fruit juice. Potassium is important to make sure your muscles, heart, and brain function at peak levels, but few of us get enough of it. Fruits and vegetables are a great source of potassium. Try bananas, prunes, dried peaches and apricots, and OJ. With a little planning, you can enjoy fruit as part of every meal. At breakfast, try bananas or strawberries on your cereal. Add blueberries or diced apples to pancakes. Drink 100% orange, grapefruit, or tomato juice. Or mix fresh fruit with plain fat-free or low-fat yogurt. At lunch, pack a tangerine, grapes, cherries, melon, or a kiwi to eat. Or choose fruits from a salad bar. Individual containers of fruits like peaches or applesauce are easy and convenient. At dinner, add crushed pineapple to cold slaw, or include orange sections or pears in a tossed salad, or try a fruit for dessert. Cut fruit is terrific alone, over angel food cake, or on top of a lower fat ice cream. Fruits also make great snacks. Pre-cut pineapple pieces, grapes, plums, or fresh whole berries. Dried fruits are easy to pack and won't spoil. Another great idea is to spread peanut butter on apple slices. You can top plain fat-free or low-fat yogurt with berries or slices of kiwi fruit, or use the yogurt as a dip. Frozen juice bars of 100% juice make healthy alternatives to high-fat snacks. Make a fruit smoothie by blending fat-free or low-fat milk or yogurt with fresh or frozen fruit. Try bananas, peaches, strawberries, or other berries, even mango. When you say protein, many people assume that you're talking about meat. And although meat is a leading source of protein for many of us, it is certainly not the only source. Non-meat sources of protein include eggs, seeds, and nuts, including peanut butter, almond butter, and beans and peas. Foods like lentils, pinto beans, black-eyed peas, and tofu, which is made from soybeans. These beans and peas are excellent sources of protein and also provide the iron and zinc you get in meat, so they're a great way for vegetarians to get their protein. They also supply folate and fiber. So beans and peas are also recommended for meat eaters.
So beans and peas are both protein and vegetable? Kind of a 2-for-1.
Here's some good ways to enjoy more peas and beans. Try chili with kidney or pinto beans, stir-fried tofu, split pea, lentil, minestrone, or white bean soups, baked beans, black bean enchiladas, garbanzo or kidney beans on a chef's salad, rice and beans, veggie burgers, or hummus spread on pita bread. Fish is another excellent protein source many of us skip. Choose fish or seafood as your main dish twice a week. Try grilled salmon or shrimp, fish tacos, or a salad with tuna on it. When you eat meat, lean cuts are your best bet. Those extra juicy burgers and the skin on that chicken count as fat and as empty calories. Anytime meat or poultry is fried in butter or oil, that also means extra calories. Breading soaks up extra fat, so avoid it when you can. The leanest poultry choices are boneless, skinless chicken breasts and turkey cutlets, baked or broiled. Choose lean turkey, roast beef, ham, or low-fat luncheon meats for sandwiches instead of deli meats with more fat, such as regular bologna or salami. Processed meats, such as ham, sausage, hot dogs, and deli meats, have added sodium. It'll say how much on the label. Compare labels to find the meats with the lower sodium number. Nuts and seeds can be a good source of protein too. Choose unsalted nuts or seeds, like pumpkin seeds, as a snack, on salads, or in main dishes. You can use nuts to replace meat or poultry. Put pistachios on lettuce salads, slivered almonds on steamed vegetables, toasted peanuts or cashews in a vegetable stir-fry, and top yogurt and fruit with walnuts or pecans. The dairy group includes all fluid milk products and many foods made from milk that are also rich in calcium. Calcium fortified soy milk is also part of the dairy group. Foods made from milk that have little to no calcium don't count as dairy servings. Some with little nutritional value include cream cheese, cream, and butter. A good way to get the dairy you need, 3 cups a day, is to drink milk or calcium fortified soy milk with your meals. Choose fat-free or low-fat milk. If you usually drink whole milk, switch gradually, trying reduced fat 2%, then low-fat 1%, and finally fat-free skim. You get the same nutrition with fewer calories and less saturated fat. If you drink cappuccinos or lattes, ask for them skinny with fat-free skim milk. Here's some tips to help you get enough dairy every day. For breakfast, you can boost your calcium by using fat-free or low-fat milk instead of water in your oatmeal and hot cereals. Make fruit and yogurt smoothies in the blender. Yogurt is a great breakfast food. Greek yogurt is an excellent substitute for sour cream. Use it on potatoes, tacos, and for